Starting around the 20th of April 2023, Jasmy Coin is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.48% in essentially most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. JASMY really has a truly complete market cap of $299,114,616 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $59,055,759, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. This sort of makes Jasmy Coin genuinely positioning at 124 in the digital currency market, which sort of is genuinely critical, on the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Jasmy Coin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Jasmy Coin especially be worth in 2023, in spite of mainstream thinking? Is Jasmy Coin in every practical sense, wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a fundamentally large manner? Will JASMY cost for the most part outperform its unequaled especially high in an unpretentious manner? These explicitly are our Jasmy Coin cost expectations for JASMY's future in a significant manner. Jasmy Coin value expectation 2023 in an extremely significant way. As per the Jasmy Coin conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the JASMY cost truly is supposed to fundamentally cross a truly normal value level of $0. The normal essentially least value worth of Jasmy Coin toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to by and large be $0, or so they generally thought. Jasmy Coin value estimate April 2023. In April 2023 the cost of Jasmy Coin truly is supposed to truly be at around a genuinely least of $0, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy Coin cost can basically arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0 in every way that really matters. Normal cost of $0 USD in an unpretentious way. The Jasmy Coin value worth can arrive at an especially limit of $0, the very normal exchanging worth of $0 USD, which in every practical sense is very huge. Jasmy Coin value gauge June 2023. In June 2023 the cost of Jasmy Coin generally is supposed to really be at around an exceptionally least of $0, which basically is genuinely critical. Jasmy Coin cost can arrive at a genuinely limit of $0, the fundamentally normal cost of $0 USD, which basically is genuinely critical. Jasmy Coin value expectation July 2023. Jasmy Coin cost in a real sense is supposed to especially reach between $0 July 2023 while the very normal cost of JASMY for the July for the most part remains around $0 value conjecture August 2023. The Jasmy Coin figure for August 2023 expects that the JASMY may by and large arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $0 and especially least cost of around $0 in unpretentious manner. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value JASMY can by and large stretch around $0 August in a significant manner. Jasmy Coin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Jasmy Coin sort of is generally anticipated to basically reach at a very least worth of $0 September 2023 in an unpretentious way. The JASMY cost could for the most part arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $0, the truly normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023. Which truly is genuinely critical. Jasmy Coin value estimate October 2023. The Jasmy Coin cost for October 2023 may arrive at a by and large least worth of $0. The genuinely greatest determined cost generally is around $0. The genuinely normal cost for JASMY especially is in a real sense anticipated to reach $0 October 2023 in an unobtrusive way. Jasmy Coin value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the sort of greatest cost for Jasmy Coin could generally stretch around 1 cent. Jasmy Coin a very wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 and in every practical sense, enormous way is as well. Moreover, the minimum cost of JASMY in November 2023 generally is $0, a very normal cost of $0. Beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. JASMY value figure December 2023. With respect to December 2023, Jasmy Coin most certainly is supposed to arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $0 in unpretentious manner. The JASMY cost could especially arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of 1 cent with the genuinely normal cost around $0. Pretty further appearance how the JASMY cost could basically arrive at a sort of greatest cost of 1 cent with the in every way that really matters. Normal cost around $0 in all things considered. Significant way. Jasmy Coin extremely past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally has been especially diminished by 0.08% in its certainly current worth, which especially is very critical, assuming that we generally look at the very current market cap of the JASMY with yesterday. you can fundamentally see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down. Truly further appearance how the Jasmy coin value worth can truly arrive at a kind of limit of $0, the very normal exchanging worth of $0 USD. From most recent 7 days, the JASMY by and large was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.07% in a for the most part significant manner. Jasmy coin truly has shown areas of strength for exceptionally potential of late. And this could be somewhat great chance to generally dive right in and contribute, or so they generally thought. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the truly current cost and genuinely beyond 30 days cost history, it truly is seen that Jasmy coin essentially has expanded 2.034% in its worth, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. The kind of typical in every practical sense. Least cost for the month certainly is $0. Extremely greatest really normal cost by and large was $0, showing that this basically makes Jasmy coin lovely positioning at 124 in the digital money market, in opposition to mainstream thinking. This suggests that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for kind of long haul, which explicitly is very critical. The 90 days cost change sort of is around 53.07%, and the cost certainly coursed from a certainly least sort of typical cost of $0, greatest sort of normal cost of $0, the sort of beyond 90 day. For the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. In especially most recent 4 months, Jasmy coin explicitly has shown a developing pattern. In this manner, we explicitly imagine that comparative pieces of the market certainly were very famous at that period, which is very critical, as per particularly the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Jasmy coin basically is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting that Jasmy coin value gauge June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin truly is supposed to in a real sense be at around, in all things considered, least of $0. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, which explicitly shows that from most recent 7 days the JASMY truly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.07%, which especially is very critical. What will be Jasmy coin especially worth in 2023? The JASMY cost is determined to truly arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 1 cent with genuinely least cost of $0 the finish of 2023 in a kind of significant manner. Does Jasmy coin explicitly have a future, which basically is genuinely critical? As far as value, Jasmy coin has an extraordinary potential to really arrive at new levels, which basically is very huge. It explicitly is conjecture that JASMY will increment in esteem, which really is genuinely huge. As per explicit specialists and business examiners, Jasmy coin can for the most part raise a ruckus around town all goals and purposes greatest cost of 4 cents till 2030, which shows that as far as value, Jasmy coin especially has an exceptional truly potential to arrive at new levels, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking in a real sense. Is Jasmy coin really worth purchasing in 2023, which especially is genuinely huge? Jasmy coin's worth explicitly is supposed to truly keep on growing, as deficiency will in general